Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to recover deleted Instagram post in just a few clicks. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your Instagram. Now go to your account. Now I'm going to delete my post. Now click on your menu. Now scroll down. Now here you can see the option of your activity. Press on this. Now here you can see recently deleted. Click on this. Here you can see your post. You can restore it if you want. Press on restore. So this is how to recover deleted Instagram post in just a few clicks. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.